Hello people, I am Uday Shankar from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar College of Law, Andhra University, Visakhapatnam. Today I am here to discuss about the topic fake news in times of crisis. And the current crisis is the COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 is the name given by the WHO to the novel coronavirus. We all know that the novel coronavirus has originated from the Wuhan city of China. It has originated in the animals and has spread from animals to humans and now is being transmitted from humans to humans all across the globe. No country is immune to novel coronavirus, and hence we have to keep in mind that no country has any legitimate vaccine claims or any medicine claims that can cure or prevent the novel coronavirus. Hence, prevention is always better than cure. So to prevent the coronavirus, you have to follow the social distancing, you have to cover your face with mask, you have to frequently wash your hands before touching your face. And now let us get into the main topic. What is a fake news? A fake news is a fabricated news which is definitely untrue, and this is just fabricated to either confuse the people or get a sense of relaxation in minds of the people, which are both in a way threat to the humanity. Few of the fake news that have spread in global fraternity are like this. A photo from the art exhibition of the Germany where thousands of people were lying on the floor was misspread that these are the people of the Italy who died due to coronavirus in the streets of the Italy, and the Italian administration is unable to cremate them because they have given up their fight against the novel coronavirus. Since we are talking about Italy, let us cite one more example from Italy. The picture of Brazilian Prime Minister Mr. Bolsonaro crying has been mistaken that the Italian Prime Minister is crying in a press meet as his administration gave up its fight against coronavirus. Now these news may seem funny to few people, may threat few people outside the Italy, but the people of the Italy will get into a sense of panic that their government is unable to do anything. Now by spreading these kind of fake news, it is always a threat to humanity where people may take some extreme steps and even also die. Now that we are talking about death, I would like to quote one more example of fake news from Iran. In Iran, 700 people have trusted that methanol, if consumed, can kill coronavirus, and 700 people lost their lives. Now the cost of spreading a fake news is 700 lives. Now this is really devastating and spreading more faster than the bushfires that were spread in Australia. Not all fake news are serious. There are few funny fake news like cow urine can kill coronavirus, alcohol can kill coronavirus, garlic and ginger when boiled along with water can kill coronavirus. Supplements of zinc, vitamins and fish oils can improve your immune system and they can kill coronavirus. They cannot kill coronavirus. Of course they improve immune system, but definitely cannot kill coronavirus. There are few homeopathic claims that taking these pills, 5 pills a day, like that 3 days, if you take these pills, they can grow immune system and help you fight in coronavirus. Now this may be true that they can improve your immune system, but it is definitely untrue when they claim that they can kill the coronavirus. Let us come back to the global fake news. One such fake news is a woman jumps off a 10th-floor building in Spain. Now this woman was misspread that a boy was jumping off from the building as he lost all his family members to the coronavirus pandemic and he has no one to live with. Now that was actually a woman jumping off the roof for some unknown reasons, and it was mistaken that a boy was jumping off the roof because all his family members died due to corona. Few religiously claim that, and few environmentalists claim that it is the punishment of God and the Mother Nature because humans are derogating the religion and depleting the nature. So the God and nature have decided to take revenge on humans in this manner, which is also a completely fake news because there are no proofs for as such. There are few people who claim that vaccines have come. Vaccines are being tested on monkeys and rats, but there is no scientific confirmation, and unless there is no confirmation from the authorities like WHO or the United Nations organizations, you cannot trust any fake news and get relaxed. Stop using sanitizers, stop using hand washes, stop putting masks on your head, stop following social distancing, and this will definitely increase the spread of the coronavirus, and you may become a red spot for the spread of the coronavirus. Now that we are talking about the red spots for the spread of coronavirus, let us now take a look at the red spots for the spread of fake news. What are the red spots for the spread of fake news? They are the WhatsApp, the Instagram, the Twitter, the Telegram, the Facebook. All these social media platforms have become the hotspots for the spread of the fake news. Though Twitter has taken steps to mark those news as fake news which are actually fake, and Facebook is also taking steps to, WhatsApp is also taking steps, Facebook, Instagram are also taking steps to mark fake news as fake news. Now this is really a good step, but we have to see how promising are they working on it. Now coming, why is fake news being spread around the COVID-19 pandemic? There is no such news around malaria, there is no such fake news around on chikungunya or dengue or Zika virus or any of the virus, but this fake news is spread around the COVID-19 pandemic because COVID-19 pandemic is uncurable as of today. There is no vaccine as of today. Hence, people will definitely believe to all the fake news, and these fake news sellers can sell their fake news around the COVID-19 pandemic. Now let us look at few of the fake news that are spread in India. Few of the funny news are when Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has requested all of us to clap our hands on 22nd March at 5 p.m. in solidarity to all the frontline warriors who are fighting with the COVID-19 pandemic. People said that when 136 crore population clap their hand or make some noises with the drums or the utensils, the sound such produced, the frequency of the sound can kill coronavirus. Now how funny and how insane is this news? Whoever has spread this news, either they are funny to the core or insane to the core. And one more such news is when Prime Minister Modi has again requested us to turn off all our lights in the homes and lit lights, diyas, candles or torches or mobile flashlights for 9 minutes at 9 p.m. on April 5th in solidarity to all the frontline workers who are fighting with the COVID-19 pandemic. It was again spread by a few of the fake news sellers that the light generated, the heat generated from the light lit by all the 136 crore population can kill the coronavirus. Now this is more and more getting more worrisome, bothersome. Where are we heading? Where is the humanity heading with these kind of silly fake news? India has formed a team with 400 scientists, Indian scientists, to answer every fake news that is being spread across the COVID-19. I think every country should come up with such measures to answer all the fake news. There is one fake news around the photo of a lion roaming in the streets. It was mistaken that Russia's president Mr. Vladimir Putin has ordered the officials of his government to leave lions in the cities of Moscow to roam freely, now that people would follow the guidelines of the lockdown and they won't come outside. Now this is very funny because there is no government, not even Putin or not even anybody can take such measures to make people follow the guidelines of any lockdown. Few astrological predictions predicted that Corona will end by itself by the end of the May. We are already in the mid-May, at the end of the May, and we are witnessing almost 5,000 cases per day. Recently we have witnessed 5,200 cases per day in India. Now they predict that the Corona will end by itself by the end of the May. Even if it doesn't end by then, they again come and claim that it will be ended by the June end. Now please don't trust such fake claims. They are just selling their fake news for their living. One of the main claims that we all have already talked at least once in our life is that China has biologically engineered the coronavirus. Now, until the guilt is proven, everyone is deemed to be innocent. Now, following this, China is to be treated as innocent until the investigation is done and China is proven guilty of producing or biologically engineering the novel coronavirus. Even Mr. Donald Trump accuses China cannot be considered guilt until the investigation is done and the guilt is proven. Now people, please don't panic from the fake newses. Please don't get relaxed of the fake newses. Fake newses come, they come, they come. No one can stop them. Only thing you can do is by not believing them. Trusted sources and reliable sources are to be followed. Follow the guidelines given by the government. Continuously keep monitoring the websites of the ministries where they give the original news. Don't sell fake news. Don't try to spread the fake news unless you know that it is original and it is real. Now please stay home. Please keep washing your hands. Please try to avoid touching your face with your hands. Please keep covering your face with mask. Please don't step out of your houses until and unless it is extremely necessary. Please follow the physical distancing. Stay home and stay safe.
Thank you for watching our video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. And also check the link in the description to read the full article.